Hello students, now we will take up our exercise 13.6 where we will discuss the volume of a cylinder. So cylinder को अभी हमने previous episode में area के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ था, curved surface area, total surface area like this. So now this is a cylinder, radius, and this is now height of this. So this is R, this is H. Now volume of cylinder is given as this is area into height. So volume of the cylinder is given as area into height. So area we know this is pi r square into height is h. So this will be now pi r square h. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, area into height. So with this concept only we will move to this exercise and we will discuss all the questions for this. So now coming to question number 1. The circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. Suppose this is a cylindrical vessel and this is the base of this, and this is the height. Now the circumference of the base is already given to us and we need to find out first of the R, because R and H both are required to find out the volume. So circumference of base this is already given to us, this is 132 centimeters. So the circumference of the base 132. So circumference is given as 2 pi r. So this is 132 is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So r will be equals to 132 divided by 2 pi, or this can be written as 132 2 into 22 into 7. So this will be equals to now 2, then this is 6 and 6, this is 1, this is now 3, and 3 into 7, so this is now 21 centimeters. So we got the radius is 21 centimeter for this. Now we need to find out the volume of water. So volume of cylindrical vessel, this will be equals to pi r square h. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square, r is 21 into 21, 21 into 21, and into height, height is already given, height is 25 centimeters. So this is now 3 times. So on multiplication we've got, so we need to find out. So in multiplication this will be now 34650 centimeter cube. Now volume of water in liters. So this will be equals to now 34650 divided by 1000. So this will be equals to now 346 point. So this will be now 34.65 liters. So this is, or we can write down that 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. This is the relation. So volume of water, so volume of water we got, this is 34.65 liters. So this is the answer of the capacity of the vessel in liters. So now coming to question number 2. The inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and the outer diameter is 28. So inner diameter is 24 centimeter. So we can find out inner radius. inner radius will be equals to 12 centimeter. Similarly, outer dia is given as 28 centimeter. So we can find out the outer radius. So outer radius will be equals to 14 centimeters, and the height is already given. Height of vessel, this is equals to 35 centimeters. Find the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube of the wood has a mass of 6 gram, so we need to find out the mass of the pipe. So mass of the pipe will be, now see, it will be the outer volume minus the inner volume. So that will give you the mass of this. So now this is given as the outer circle, and for here also this is now the outer one, and this is the outer one. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, outer radius minus this outer volume minus the inner volume. So volume of mass of the pipe we need to find out. So first of all we will find the volume of pipe, that will be outer volume minus inner volume, and height will remain the same for both the cases. So height will be the same. Height is given as 35, so it will remain the same. So volume of pipe, this will be, because the outer volume is pi r naught square h minus pi r I square h. So we got pi h as common. So this will be r square minus r I square. R square means this is outer radius, or we can write it down. This is r I, and this is the outer radius. This is r o. So we got, this is now pi h. So this will be r o plus r I and r o minus r I. So this is now pi h means 22 by 7 into height is already given to us. This is 35, and this will be now r o plus r I. R o is given as 14. So this is 14 plus 12, and this will be 14 minus 12. So this is 1 times 5 times. So this will be now 110 into 26 into 2. So on multiplication we got this 5720 centimeter cube. Now the mass of pipe, so this will be equals to volume into density. Density means per centimeter cube में कितना मास दिया हुआ. So this is now 5720 into 1 centimeter cube का मास कितना दिया हुआ है. This is 0.6. So into 0.6 we got this as 3432 grams. So this can be written in the mass in kg also. So mass of pipe will be in kg. This will be 3.42432 kg. So this will be 3.43 kg. So now coming to question number 3. A soft drink is available in the 2 packs. One is the tin can with the rectangular base of the length, width and having a height of 15 centimeter, and the plastic cylinder with the circular base this much. Which container has the greater capacity and by how much? So for the first case we will find the volume of cuboid. This is the volume of cuboid now, L into B into H. So this is length is given 5 centimeter, width is 4 and height is 15. So this got, so this will be equals to now first case. So this is now 300 centimeters. So this is given in the centimeter. So this is now 300 centimeter cube. Similarly, second case, now volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder will be equals to pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into r square. So diameter is given as 7 centimeter. So this can be written as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 10 centimeter. So 7 cancels 2. This is now 11. So on multiplication, this will be 770 divided by 2. So this will be 385 centimeter cube. So this volume is bigger. So we can say that volume of cylinder is greater than volume of cuboid. By how much? So we need to find out the difference in volume. So this will be equals to 385 minus 300. So this will be 85 centimeter cube. So we got the difference of the volume also. Now coming to question number 4. If the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter cube and its height is 5 centimeter, then find its radius. So first of all, we need to find out the radius. Lateral surface area is given. Lateral surface area of cylinder, this is now 2 pi RH. So this is already given as 94.2. So this is equals to now 2 into 22 by 7 into r we need to find out, and height is 5. So r into now 5. So we got 94.2 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 5. This will be equals to r. So this can be calculated as 2 1 ja, then 2 4 ja 8, 7, then 1. So on further calculation, we got this r as 3 centimeters. Now coming to the second part. Now we need to find out the volume of this. So volume of cylinder will be the area into height. So this is now 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into height. Height is already given to us. This is 5 centimeters. So now we can calculate this. So this volume will be equal to 141.3 centimeter cube. So now coming to question number 5th. If the costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel of 10 meter deep. If the cost of the painting is at the rate of 20 rupees per meter square. So first of all, we need to find out the inner curved surface area of the vessel. So cost of painting. So cost of the painting, we know this is equals to the inner CSA into rate. So this is only the cost, inner curved surface area into rate. So cost of the painting is already given 2200. So inner curved surface area we need to find out. So inner CSA into rate is already given. This is 20 rupees. So we got inner CSA of cylinder. This will be equals to 2200 divided by 20. So this is 110 meter square. So therefore inner CSA of cylinder, this will be 110 meter square. So we got the inner CSA of the cylinder. Now coming to the second part, radius of the base we need to find out. So inner CSA, this will be 2 pi RH. So inner CSA is 110, so this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R we need to find out, and H is already given, this is 10 meters deep. So now we can find it out. So this will be R will be equals to 110 into 7 divided by 44 into 10. So this 0 got cancels, 11 1, 11 4 times. So this is now 7 by 4. So this can be calculated as, so this will give you 1.75 meters. So we got the inner radius also. Now coming to the third part, capacity of cylindrical vessel. So capacity of the cylindrical vessel, this is given as pi r square h. So this will be 22 by 7 into r square. R is 1.75 into 1.75 into h is 10. So this can be simplified, and we got this is 96.25 meter cube. So this is the capacity. So now coming to question number 6. The capacity of the closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter. Height is given to us. Height of vessel, this is 1 meters, and the capacity is given. Capacity of vessel, this is 15.4 liters, or capacity in meter cube will be equals to, so this will be equals to 15.4 divided by 1000. So this will be 0.0154 meter cube, because we know 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. How many square meters of the metal sheet would be needed to make it? So now we need to find out. First of all, we need to find out this radius also. So radius will be equals to the volume of cylindrical vessel. This is equals to pi r square h. So volume is already given. This is now 0.0154. This is 22 by 7 into r square as it is, and h means height of the vessel, this is 1 given to us. So r square is equals to, now this will be 0.0154 into 7 divided by 22. So r square will be equals to now 22. If we divide, this will be 0.0007. So this can be written as 0.0007 into 7 divided by 1, or r square will be equals to 7 into 7 divided by 100 into 100. So this can be written as 100 into 100. So r will be equals to 7 into 7 divided by 100 into 100. So r is equals to 7 by 100, or this will be 0.07 meters. So we got the radius. Now we can find out the how many square meters of the metal sheet will be required. So now we need to find out the area of the metal sheet. So area of metal sheet. So area of the metal sheet, because it is a complete closed cylinder is given. So this will be the TSA is equals to the TSA. Now TSA of cylinder, this is given as 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Now we can find out these values. So TSA will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.07. Within bracket h is already given 1 plus 0.07. So now we can solve this for TSA. So this will be now 0.01 from here. So this is 44 into 0.01 into 1.07. So now we can solve this. So therefore TSA of vessel, we can multiply it. So TSA of the vessel will be equals to 0.4708 meter square. So this is the TSA now. So first of all we converted this volume into liters. वॉल्यूम इन लीटर्स जो भी दिया हुआ उसको मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट किया और वहाँ से वॉल्यूमेट्रिक इक्वल करके रेडियस को निकाला. रेडियस के बाद में फिर TSA निकालेंगे बिकॉज क्लोज्ड सिलेंड्रिकल है. क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल में क्या होगा, सारे एंड्स क्लोज होंगे उसके. सो नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th. A lead pencil is consist of a cylindrical board with a solid cylinder of the graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 mm and the diameter of the graphite is 1 mm. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, so we need to find out the volume of the board and that of the graphite. So this is a pencil. This is in the cylindrical shape now. So it is given that a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of the board with a solid cylinder of graphite. So अभी ये solid cylinder of board हो गया और इसी के अंदर में क्या है, अभी एक ग्रेफाइट भी है cylindrical shape में. इस तरह से अभी हमने क्या किया हुआ है, इसको ग्रेफाइट को दिखाया हुआ है अभी. So now this is the graphite in the cylindrical shape inside this wooden block. So this is also a cylindrical shaped. So this outer radius, now this wooden part radius, the diameter of the pencil is 7 mm. So diameter of the pencil is given to us 7 mm. So this complete will be equals to now 3.5 centimeter and this is given as, this is now we can write it, this is mm, and the diameter of the graphite is given as 1 mm. So this will be now 0.5 mm. Now we need to find out the volume of the wood and the graphite separately. Diameter of the wooden part. So diameter of the wooden part is already given to us. So diameter of the pencil is given actually. So diameter of the pencil, this is 7 mm. So we need to find out the radius first. So radius of the pencil, this will be equals to 7 by 2, 3.5 mm, or this can be written as 0.35 centimeters because 1 centimeter equals to 10 mm. So we need to find out the volume. So volume of this wooden part. अभी देखिए वुडन पार्ट के लिए इसमें अभी क्या, वुडन पार्ट के लिए अभी हम पहले रेडियस को निकालते हैं. सो रेडियस ऑफ वुडन पार्ट विल बी इक्वल्स टू, रेडियस ऑफ वुडन पार्ट क्या होगा, ये अभी कंप्लीट पेंसिल का रेडियस दिया हुआ हो तो उसमें अभी हम क्या करेंगे, ये सपोज ऐसे दिया हुआ है, इसमें कंप्लीट पेंसिल का रेडियस दिया हुआ है अभी हमें, दिस इज नाउ 0.35 सेंटीमीटर. अभी इसमें क्या है, इंक्लूडिंग दिस ग्रेफाइट. सो ग्रेफाइट का भी कितना दिया हुआ है, ग्रेफाइट का दिया हुआ है 1. सो वी कैन राइट फाइंड आउट द दिस रेडियस ऑफ द ग्रेफाइट इज, radius of graphite, this is equals to 1 by 2. So this is 0.5 mm or this can be written as 0.05 centimeters. So now we can find out the radius of wooden part. So radius of the wooden part, it will be now this complete radius minus this radius of the graphite. सो इतना ही तो रहेगा वुडन पार्ट का रेडियस। सो वुडन पार्ट का रेडियस क्या होगा, जो कंप्लीट हमें पेंसिल का रेडियस दिया था उसमें से भी हम क्या करेंगे, जो ग्रेफाइट का रेडियस आ रहा है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। सो दिस विल बी नाउ 0.35 माइनस 0.05, so this will be 0.03 centimeters. Now we'll find the volume of wooden part will be pi r square h. So this will be equals to now 22 by 7 into r is 0.03 into 0.03 into height. Height is already given to us. This is 14 centimeters. So now we can solve it. This is 1 time, this is 2 times. So on multiplication we got this is 5.28 centimeter cube. This is now volume of the wooden part. Similarly we will find the volume of graphite. So volume of the graphite will be equals to pi r square h. So this will be 22 by 7 into r square. R is already given for this graphite. This is now 0.05 into 0.05 into height will remain the same for both. So this is 14. So 7.1, 7.2. So the volume of the graphite part will be 0.11 centimeter cube. So these are the volumes. अभी हम इसका वॉल्यूम और भी तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं। ग्रेफाइट को तो एज इट इज निकाल सकते हैं, और बाकी अभी हम दूसरे तरीके से क्या कर सकते हैं, कंप्लीट पेंसिल का वॉल्यूम निकाल सकते हैं। सो कंप्लीट पेंसिल के वॉल्यूम में से ग्रेफाइट के वॉल्यूम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो वुडन का वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा। आप दूसरे तरीके से भी जा सकते हो। नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। अ पेशेंट इन ए हॉस्पिटल इज गिवन अ soup daily in a cylindrical ball of diameter 7 centimeter. So this is a cylindrical ball, diameter is given 7 centimeter, so r will be 3.5 centimeter, half of this diameter, and this height is already given to us. If the ball is filled with the soup to a height of 4 centimeter, is the 4 centimeter, how much soup the patient has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients. So कितना हॉस्पिटल को सूप प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए 250 पेशेंट्स को देने के लिए। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन दिस बॉल। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन cylindrical ball, so this is equals to pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into r square, 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 4. So this we can calculate now. So this is 7 times 0.5. So on multiplication we got this is 154 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one cylindrical ball. So now the volume of soup for 250 patients. So for 250 patients, so this will be equals to 154 into 250. So this will be equals to now 38500 centimeter cube. So this will be the volume. So now in liters if we want, so this can be written as 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Therefore volume of soup, this can be written as 38500 divided by 1000. So this can be written as 38.5 liters. So this much volume of the soup is required. So with this we have finished our exercise 13.6. Thank you. Okay students, I hope अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा। इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं। ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू।